Yes, he does. He's just waiting for him to fall down.
You've been on top of it.
Hey, did you see him put his hand out like this?
Yeah.
Coaches, wrestlers, every once in a while we'll make a mistake. We just had a case where we sent somebody out there 10 minutes after they had wrestled the match. Don't go back out there. If you've wrestled within the last 20 minutes, come tell us and we'll bump you back to a later time. So like I said, it's been a real short time between matches, come tell us.
Forget this tripod.
12 seconds!
One more. And
Well, he had a lot
hey, Justin, did you see how long mine took? My match.
I saw your match.
Huh?
I saw your match.
Yeah, how long did it take? Defer to the third period. This is good. Got his leg over it.
He can still turn into it.
team get 11 points.
Penalty if you had issues came up.
His shoe came up right? Penalty? How many points? 3? That's got to be enough.
Okay, wrestlers, I need the 130-pound weight class. 130-pound weight class to the staging area, please. 130 pounds.
Come on, Cameron!
That was me last year. Actually, I was 130 and 125. I was 130 and 125.
Yeah, and this time you do 125. I'll turn that
I know. Earlier when I went up there to get my sheet, he goes Costanza and
Come on, Cameron!
Creamer. Creamer's the guy's name. And he goes Costanza. All right, you know what to do. Here. I was like, thanks. Maybe I know what to do.